Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to uncurry a function in JavaScript. We'll take a curried function and transform it into a more flexible version that accepts multiple arguments at once. Let's get started. Currying can be useful in functional programming, but sometimes we want to call a function with multiple arguments at once. That's where uncurrying helps. This function takes a curried function and transforms it into an uncurried version by applying its arguments in sequence. The uncurry function reconstructs a standard function by applying arguments sequentially. If fewer than n arguments are provided, it prevents incorrect execution. Both versions of the function produce the same output, but uncurrying makes the function easier to call in traditional contexts. Uncurrying is useful when working with higher order functions, simplifying function calls, and improving code readability. In summary, by uncurrying functions, we make them more flexible and easier to work with in everyday coding scenarios. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.